Nagre-record ulit.
Hello. 日本橋です。地下鉄堺筋線はお乗り換えです。左側の扉が開
Going
き
to
ます。
Kintetsu.
ご注意ください。
Kintetsu. Picture lang kita. Picture mo. This one.
You covered up the park.
Okay lang. Lakad na to. Kasi yung chick. Okay lang.
That's okay, at least we know it's actually
It's from
Japan.
Japan talaga. Okay siya.
There's like some on the other side too.
Oh, sige. Oh, deer in the street.
So cute.
Oh, deer on the street. Hi, deer.
But they're a lot smaller than ours.
Wow.
I remember when there was like a deer like next to our house, it was like kind of big.
American size. Baka baby pa yan.
It might be, because that still has spots on it.
Oh. Baby. Me. There you go. Hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. 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 Pet a deer. Hello. Aww. Pet, 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 pet. Try mo. Ah. Whoa. Whoa. Wow.
We should buy snacks for them so they can.
Oh, buy tayo snacks. I can buy snacks. Whoa. Woo. Wow. Wow. Bili ka na. 200 yen. Bigay 200 yen. Ito.
Oh, that's a.
Sorry. Ow. Ow. Oh, shit. Not know me anymore.
我被顶飞了一宝宝。
Oh, this is my money. This is my money. Yo. My money, my money.
I'm scared of the ones with horns, especially.
Okay na, okay na.
There's one behind us.
Binyan. Uy, dami! You're so big! Ay! 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 This one is big.
Wait, just go.
They're chasing me.
Make them bounce. You're bowing. Oh, they're not bowing.
They bow. They bow. They bow already. They bow. They bow. They bow.
I don't want it.
You're not get chasing me, man.
他们都不要直接去那个。
No, takaw to. No more, no more. No more. The pigeon.
Hotel, like a dryer.
Hindi ko rin alam eh. Pero baka take a dryer din yan. Oo, pila yun. It's not right.
Sit down over there.
Sige.
It doesn't taste that bad. Oh, look.
Gone wild, man.
Where's your spoon?
Bakit ko? Try ko?
Yeah.
Nara Museum. Ha? Fish. Big fish. Yeah. They following me, they know that I'm traffic. May 5 ba to? Baka libre. Yeah. Painting of Nara.
Yeah. You
はレシート and one food ticket.
Okay.
Thank you. ありが
Thank
とう
you.
ございます。
ありがとう。Two.
来ましたよ。
Oh,
こちらもどうぞ。
scan.
「明治時代失われかけていた日本の美が再び見つめ直されます。奈良法隆寺金堂12面の壁画、その美は古代仏教絵画の最高峰として世界に認められます。仏の住まう世界。
These look like older buildings.
Tingnan natin dito. Map. Where are we at now? So, meron pa rito may museum pa rito. Ay, gago. Pwede na tayo tumawid dito. Tayo ba ito? Sarap, 7 days pa tayo dito. I mean, 6 days pa. Dapat tayo pwede punta ka. Oo. Ayan, yung mga payong.
So once you start getting like that,
Walang payong, ano? Wala, no umbrella.
Нет.
Europeans.
Нет.
Ayun na, sama tong na. Ay! Wow! Selfie, selfie. Kaya picture kita dali. Sa malupit lang. Okay na. Wow.
that's so cool.
Wow. Baka may ilaw yan sa gabi.
It's a statue.
Kaya hindi.
From back then.
Ayan.
Oh.
Wow, it's only ticket booth. Oh, so we, ticket gate.
Yeah.
Let's just go through in there. Ooh, God. Wow. Wow. Hello guys. Kita nyo ba yan? Kita nyo ba yan? Ito, tingnan natin. Yun! Lupit. Look at that. Oh. Video.
Esto lo abren para que se vea el rostro del Buda hacia que los peregrinos lo puedan ver en la época.
Yes. 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 Yeah. Yes. Look at the difference in person and to the cell phone. It's over here like ooh. Oh yes.
I wonder how old this is.
Grabe no. Taas. Parang nasa movie no.
It's like a movie set. Like a movie that you see right now.
Wow, ayun ang picture mo. Here we go. Pero yung nga siya against the light tayo eh. Sige dito ka picture kita. Yan. Ready?
Wait.
Wow, it's so huge. Oh no? Baba man. Oh. Wow.
Angry.
Ayoko ng bag ko. Keep my bag. You?
Ooh.
Whoa. Si Buddha. Yay. $150, pero palang ganyan dito. Map.